Before you begin, remove the service door, solid-state drive, and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the smart card reader board. Peel back the retention tape, use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the NFC antenna ZIF connector, and disconnect the NFC antenna cable from the NFC board. Peel back the retention tape that secures the touchpad board to the top cover. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the aux wireless antenna transceiver to the top cover. Lift the aux wireless antenna transceiver off of the alignment pins on the top cover and set it aside. Remove the four 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.